Who doesn't love robots? Be it a child or an adult, be it for work or fun. Robots have found their way in almost every walk of life. Don't you think you should be learning about them already? And that's exactly what this course is all about. Introduction to Robotics is a third stop in an exciting journey called the STEM Safari. We'll begin by learning what robots are, where are they used, and how are they similar to humans. Once equipped with this knowledge, a mission will be waiting for you, where you'll be given a series of tasks to accomplish while making robots on your own. Then, we'll make a robot which can follow its target using infrared sensors, like a tail your enemies can never lose. Then you will make an obstacle avoiding robot, which will use ultrasonic sensors to navigate on its own and emerge victorious despite the obstacles. Towards the end, you'll make a pick-and-place robot which will use gripper claws to retrieve important objects for you. Over the period of 5 weeks, by just giving 6 to 7 hours every week, you'll be able to master the basics and make robots of your own. To make it more fun and engaging, you can bring a friend along and take this course together. Whether you are an inquisitive student, an enthusiastic educator, or a caring parent, this course is for you. So join hands for this exhilarating journey and discover the wonders of robotics with us.